Homeowners may be tempted to DIY window installation because they think it will save them money, but that's not always the case. DIY window installation requires several costs and risks that may make it worth paying a professional instead. Replacement windows can provide a range of benefits, such as energy savings, ease of use, improved security, sound reduction, and a more comfortable home. But if the windows aren't installed properly, homeowners don't experience those benefits. Homeowners may need to purchase special tools for DIY installation and still do not install the windows correctly. One issue is that many DIY installers do not seal windows properly. This can lead to air infiltration and heat loss, which increases energy costs. It can also allow water infiltration, which can cause mold and other damage that will need remedied. In some cases, improper installation can also ruin the window and make it inoperable, which could lead to the need for new windows. These factors can make a DIY installation cost more than a professional one in the long run. Another thing to consider is that installing windows at high heights, handling heavy or sharp materials, or encountering lead paint in older homes can put the person installing the windows at undue risk. Lastly, window warranties can be voided if the windows are not professionally installed. Professional installation makes more sense than a DIY window install for many homeowners. For high-quality windows installed by an experienced professional, visit our website at softlight.com/locator to browse our list of dealers.